السلام عليكم.
السلام ورحمة الله. محمد كيف حالك؟
الحمد لله.
طيب؟ بارك الله فيك. أهلا وسهلا. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Today we're gonna review the units of the book, unit by unit, and see what are the titles, and in addition to the vocabulary included in each unit, right?
Okay.
The first unit here, okay, as you can see here, it is days of the week, months of the year, and seasons. I think you don't have anything with those, you know them all, don't you?
I understand all that.
Okay, type. Okay, what prepositions do we use with days?
What does it mean, a preposition?
Preposition like in, on, at, from, to, etc. These things. This is called a preposition. Let me write that for you. Preposition. Okay. Here, for example. Okay, this is preposition. Preposition means like in, on, at, from, to, etc.
Okay.
We call these in English prepositions. Prepositions. What preposition do we use with the days of the week?
On.
That's good. Say on Sunday, on Monday, on Friday, etc., etc. Now, what preposition do we use with the months?
In.
In. And what preposition do we use with seasons?
I don't know.
Don't know. The best answer is you don't know, okay? It is in, the same.
Okay.
So with years, with seasons, okay, we use in. Even with numbers of the year, if we said in 2020.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the first one. Okay. It is just a review, quick review of the unit. Look here. We have here, for example, this word. What's perfume?
Perfume.
Look, Muhammad, I am giving you the most important words in the units, okay? So
Okay.
prepare yourself and write everything on your book now. Perfume. Perfume يعني عطر.
Okay.
العطر اسمه perfume. Bracelet.
السوارة.
Briefcase.
الحقيبة.
This one. Okay.
Okay.
Now here, this is the chapter 1. Please, these are the key vocabulary here. See?
Okay.
Okay. Go through them quickly and ask me what does this mean if you don't know.
Okay.
Quickly.
I know everything.
Know everything? That's fine. Okay, now count and non-count nouns. Do you know what count and non-count nouns?
الأسماء المعدودة وغير المعدودة.
Okay. Why do we use them in English? Okay, I'll answer. We don't have an answer. Okay. Look, the count nouns, if we look at this picture, now, for example, this one, number one is count. We can count the apples. See?
Yes.
How many apples do you see?
3.
3. So this is count. But if I say count, for example, here, what's in this here? Can you count that?
No.
No. Okay. In English, the count, if we write that in a box, in a small box, and we write that in here, look, if we say count and non-count, non-count. For the count, I can use a, or I can use an. I can use the. For the non-count, I use the only.
Okay.
For the count, I use a few or few. For the non-count, I use a little or little. Okay?
Okay.
For the count, we use many. For the non-count, we use
Much.
For the count, we use a lot of. For the non-count, we use a lot of. So this means both of them take a lot of. Now here, for example, to say, what's this?
1 minute. This ketchup. A ketchup.
You can't say ketchup because ketchup is non-count.
Okay.
See? You can't say a ketchup. Because can you count the ketchup?
No.
So this is, you can say ketchup and not a ketchup.
Okay.
The same now here for this one, 17. What's this?
Onions.
Onions. One of them, what we call it?
An onions.
An onion. No, an onion. One.
An onions.
An onion, because one. So when it is one, we use a and an. If it is count, okay, count. Non-count. Okay. Now we can make this count. Look, number 11. It is if we are talking about the bottle and not the ketchup.
Okay.
We say this is a bottle of ketchup. The word ketchup, by the way, is a Chinese word. Ketchup is a Chinese
word.
okay? But this is for your information. Ketchup is a Chinese word. Okay. So, look at the vocab here.
Okay.
Anyone you don't know? 24 words. Please quickly look at them.
Okay.
If you have any word you don't know, please ask. Don't be shy, okay?
Okay.
The word you don't know, just ask.
Number 13 and 14.
Okay, never mind. Number 13, lettuce, yeah? This one.
Yes.
It is two in Arabic, only two. This is a veg consisting of two letters only in Arabic. Two letters in Arabic only. It is a vegetables. Two letters.
خس.
Khas, ya salam alayk. Okay. Number 14. You don't know mayonnaise?
I don't read right.
Okay, it is mayonnaise, okay? Mayonnaise. That's it?
16, just.
16. Mustard. Where is the 16 here? This one, mustard. Mustard usually is yellow, okay? Sometimes you find it in a plastic, okay? This one is a jar, mustard. Starting in Arabic with the letter Ekh.
خردل.
خردل, يا سلام. أيوة. I'll give you just the first letters, okay? It's your job to finish to complete the word. Okay, anything else?
No.
Good. Here, can you read this word, please?
Flower.
Flower. Okay? Flower.
Okay.
Very good. Flower. Because some of them read it floor, okay? This is flower. Like flower. Again, Muhammad, look at these. If you have one, or please ask quickly.
I know all of them.
All of them?
Yes.
I'll ask you.
Okay.
Okay, I'll ask you. If I catch you, I'll kill you at the moment. Okay, what's pears?
Where?
Pears. This one.
Bears التوت.
يا ولد قلت لك اللي ما بتعرفها اسألني عليها. لا تمشي هيك، لا تمشي الكلام. بيرز هو الكمثرى.
اوكي.
1-0 لإلي صح؟ النتيجة 1-0 لإلي صح ولا لا؟
صح.
أيوة. Look, the word you don't know, don't hesitate to ask. Okay. Partitives now. Partitives. Partitives and imperatives. Okay. Now, before we take the vocab, look the imperatives. How do we make imperatives in English? Imperatives is to order someone, or okay, to order someone to do something. To order someone to do something.
أوامر أوامر.
Amr. Now in the English language, we have four ways to order. Okay.
Okay.
Number one is by the verb itself. By the verb. Number one is by using the verb. For example, we say, Muhammad, read, go, sit, stand. Okay, so this one is only by the verb. Number two is by don't and the verb. Can you give me an example?
Don't open this book.
Don't open this book. Don't go. Don't sit. Okay? Don't hesitate to ask if you don't know the word. Don't hesitate. You know the word hesitate?
يتردد.
Don't hesitate to ask. Don't. So this is number two. And number three now. Number three is be plus the adjective. Be plus the adjective. For example, to say, be silent, be good, be clean, be anything but not the verb.
Okay.
Be on time. Be on time. You see, this is preposition. Be on time. Number four, don't plus be plus adjective. Are you writing?
Yes.
Okay. So you say, don't. Sorry, this should be the capital letter because it's at the beginning. Don't be, then adjective. Usually they say, don't be silly. What's the meaning of silly?
سخيف.
Yeah, don't be silly. Look, don't be silly. Don't be rude. Don't be ridiculous. كلها كلمات سيئة هاي شايف؟ Don't be ridiculous. Don't be silly. Don't be late. Don't be late. Be early. Be early. Don't be late. This is a good example. Be on time. Don't be late. So this is the way how to make what?
Imperative.
The imperatives in the English language. So there are four ways that imperative can be formed. Okay, next. Okay. Now the partitives, it is a small thing from a large quantity. Look, a small one from a large quantity. When we say a can of soup, can of soup. Is a can of soup. A jar of jam, bottle of ketchup, box of cereal, bag of flour, a loaf of white bread, 2 loaves of whole wheat bread, bunch of bananas, a head of lettuce, a dozen eggs, a pint of ice cream, a quart of orange juice, a gallon of milk, a pound of meat, half a pound of cheese, or half a pound, a half or half a, okay, half a pound of cheese. Now, this is, we call them partitives. This is the word, okay? Partitive,
Okay.
it is a part of something. Partitives. Like this one, what do we call this one? A bunch of bananas. Bunch, look, bunch.
banana.
Bunch of grapes. عنقود يعني هذا اسمه.
Okay.
Okay? I think those, do you need to ask any question on this page?
What does it mean, loaf?
Loaf. 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 I'll give you an English proverb to know the word loaf. In English, they say half a loaf is better than no bread. Half a loaf is better than no bread. You know bread.
Yes.
نصف رغيف أفضل من لا خبز. يعني أنت إذا كان عندك نص رغيف أفضل إنه ما يكون عندك شو؟
خبز.
ما في خبز عندك، شايف؟ نص رغيف أحسن. بتعرف العرب شو بيقولوا بالمثل؟ هل تعرف؟
لا والله.
أنا راح أعطيك إياها بس بجوز كمان ما تعرفها. بيقول لك الرمد أفضل من العمى. شو يعني الرمد؟ الواحد إذا عم في عنده ألم بعيونه شايف هيك احمرار وكذا وهيك فبيشوف شوي، هذا بيسموه مرض الرمد. لكن الواحد إذا أعمى كامل ما راح يشوف، لذلك بيقول لك الرمد أفضل من
العمى.
أيوة، هذا هو معناته half a loaf is better than no bread. loaf إذا معناته رغيف.
Okay.
Half a loaf is better than no bread.
No bread.
Yeah, half a loaf is better than no bread. Any other question?
Dozen.
هاي قريبة من الكلمة تبعيتكم اللي بتقولوا درزن. اوكي؟ درزن هي كلمة فارسية. درزن كلمة فارسية جاي للغة العربية من الفارس. اللغة الإنجليزية شو؟ درزن. You see the same. Yeah. We say a dozen eggs. If you count them, the dozen, how many? Dozen.
12.
How many the dozen? How many is that?
12.
12. You see, look, if you count the eggs here, they are 12. A dozen eggs. A dozen eggs. Yeah. Yes. Another question, please.
11. A pint of ice cream.
A pint of ice cream. Look, a pint, this is a measurement for liquids. You know liquid?
السوائل.
أيوة. يعني هذا مقاس أو مقياس للسوائل. Okay. This is a pint. We don't use it in Arab word here. Okay. This is there. Okay. A pint. This is a measurement for drinks, for liquids. It's a pint. More?
Just.
Okay. So this is, we finished with this. We go to the end here. Good job. Good job. The end of, okay. Look at the key vocabulary here also and see if you have any question, please.
uh, baking soda. What does it mean?
Baking soda. Baking soda like the baking powder. شفت اللي بيسووا حلويات عندهم baking powder هاي الخميري وكذا والى اخره.
Okay.
شفت هاي اللي بيسووا فيها حلويات هيك.
إيه.
بيكنج صودا نفس التشكيله.
الكلمة اللي تحت fantastic.
This is fantastic. Here, this one.
Yes.
Magnificent. Magnificent means فخم. Very great. Great. Of great value.
Okay.
فخم. Magnificent.
The word rainus.
The word? Sorry?
rainus. الكلمة اللي تحت pancakes.
Pancakes. Which one? In which line?
Here.
This one. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, good. This one. You know grapes?
Yes, grapes.
Okay, grapes. If you dry the grapes, it becomes raisins. You know dry?
رطب أو
لا تجفف ما ترطب. إذا بتجفف العنب شو بصير؟
منتهي يعني الصلاحية
لك لا بيجففوا العنب إذا جففوه شو بيصير؟ ما عندك خبرة يا محمد بالأمور هاي. العنب إذا كان جاف أنت بتاكله كثير شايف بس ما لك عارفان بجوز ما خاطر ببالك. هو الزبيب.
اوكي.
إذا جففنا العنب شو بيصير؟
زبيب.
Okay, this word. Raisins. So if you dry the grapes, it becomes raisins. عم نعلمك طبخ هيك مو انجليزي صار هيك ها؟
ايه.
Yeah.
Last one, notes.
Nuts هي المكسرات. crackers بسموه بالانجليزي. Nuts. Also you should look at those, okay? Because those are partitives. To say a bag of flour, a bottle of ketchup, a box of cereal, a bunch of bananas, a can of soup, a dozen eggs, a gallon of milk, a half pound of cheese, a head of lettuce, a jar of jam, a loaf of bread, a pint of ice cream, a pound of meat, a quart of orange juice, a bowl. What's bowl?
باول العلبة أو
soup. Bowl of soup. What's bowl? شو بتاكل الشوربة أو شو بتشرب الشوربة أو بتاكل الشوربة اللي بدك إياه؟
هذا شبيه الصحن بس دائري.
شو اسمه بالعربي؟ يلا أنا بعطيك إياه. طاسي. أنتوا بتقولوا له طاسي صح؟ طاسة. عندكم الكلمة هاي ولا لا؟
إيه.
أيوة الطاسة هي باول. A bowl of chicken soup, cup of hot chocolate, a dish of ice cream, glass of milk, an order of scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs اللي هو البيض مخلوط بعضه يعني الصفار مع البياض شايف؟ عم نقليه نحن هيك مع بعض وسوى هيك. هذا اسمه scrambled egg. Scrambled eggs. A piece of apple pie.
فطيرة.
Good. That's it. Okay. I gave you the meaning of might. If you remember,
Yes.
you remember the word might?
5%.
Yes, it denotes 5% possibility. 5%
Possibility.
okay. Will is for the future. We know this. Look, possibility and probability. This is for might. Possibility and possibility is for May 50. The probability is 5% for might. Warning. Warning. What does warning mean?
Warning. I don't know.
تحذير محاذير تحذير تحذير.
Okay.
إذا تحذير اسمه warning. They gave him warning. They gave him warning because he violated. Those words are easy. Look at them. Please, if you have one, if you ask, I am ready.
Number 9, just.
Number 9 is a helmet. This is a helmet, okay?
Okay.
Helmet, what's it in Arabic?
القبعة.
Starting with letter H in Arabic.
خوذة.
تمام. جيد بالعربي يا محمد، كويس. شوف اللي بده يكون جيد باللغة الإنجليزية لازم يكون جيد باللغة العربية، ولا بتطلع لغته يا سلام. حتى تكون جيد في اللغة الأخرى لازم تكون لغتك أنت فيها في طحل بيسموه أو جهبذ. شايف؟ يس. Go to the next unit. The key vocabulary here. Look at this.
Get seasick. Just mean.
Okay. Get seasick. Sometimes the one who goes on a ship in the sea, he gets seasick. This means he feels dizzy. He feels dizzy.
Okay.
دوار البحر. Okay. بيدوخ بالبحر هذا. سمعان بكلمة دوار البحر؟ دوار البحر.
Yes.
Seasick.
Yes.
Yeah, he gets seasick. In English they say dizzy. He feels dizzy. أحسن الكلمة هاي كلمة دايخ. واحد دايخ يعني بنقول له dizzy. D-I-Z-Z-Y. dizzy. I feel dizzy. يعني عندي شو؟
دوار أو دايخ.
دايخ. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy.
Get a shock.
Get a shock. Shock.
Shock.
You don't know the word shock?
No.
Look, at your home, if you touch an electricity wire, you get a shock.
Okay.
Shock. You know the shock?
كهرباء يعني تلسعك.
صدمة. Say, I was shocked. To say, for example, I was shocked. انصدمت. I was shocked.
shock,
انصدمت على كذا. I was shocked. I was shocked. Get a shock. The same. I was shocked. Get hit. Any other?
no,
Okay. All.
yes,
I'll ask you. What's measles?
measles or muscles,
No, this is measles, not muscles.
okay,
Muscles قصدك العضلات يعني؟
إيه.
This one, the measles. Measles is a disease. It is the red spots on the body. Okay. شو بتسموه انتم؟ بتسموه العنقز، مدري العقنقز، شو اسمه عندكم؟ هلا هيك بصير الانسان احمر كله هيك على جسمه.
جدري وكذا.
ايوه نوع، ايوه الحصبه بسموه بالطب. هذا this is red spots on the body. Red spots. You know spot?
Spot?
Yeah. Spot يعني بقع. Red spots on the body. Spot. Red spots. So this is a disease that's marked by red spots on the body. بدأت كثير اليوم محمد، ها بدأ دراسة، بدأ شغل.
Okay.
Yeah. You know the word injuries?
Injuries مصاب.
مو مصاب، إصابات.
إصابات.
Injuries. Okay. Clear my drawing. Close this. Go ahead. Comparative, we took them. Comparative.
Yes.
We took should.
Yes.
Should is used for what?
For advice.
Advice. Very good. Okay. Possessive pronouns. These are some of the adjectives here. Have a look at them and ask.
Okay.
Have a look at them.
Number 4.
Number 4 is fashionable. Fashionable, you know fashion?
Fashion. موضة.
Fashionable, this means he follows the fashion.
Okay.
مثل هذول اليوم هالايام هاي اللي بيلبسوا مثلا جينزات هيك تلاقيهم مشقشق من رجليه ومن ايديه ومن دري، شايف هاي those are fashionable على اساس، عرفت كيف؟
Okay.
Yeah.
11. Polity.
Polite يعني مؤدب.
Okay. Talented.
لا والله في عندك برنامج على التلفزيون شايف بيقول لك Arab Got Talent، سمعان بهالبرنامج هذا؟
مواهب يعني talented موهوب.
talented اللي هي الموهبة.
Okay.
هذا برنامج
talented.
مسروق ترى البرنامج هذا تراها من بريطانيا. British Got Talent. Okay, talented, the adjective, talented. Next. Let me ask you, what's hospitable?
Hospitable. زمين.
شفتها 2-0 صار اليوم عند النتيجة يا محمد. 2-0 لي. hospitable يعني مضياف. شو معنى مضياف؟
Okay.
مضياف يعني بيكرم الضيوف وكذا، شايف؟ hospitable
Okay.
مضياف. Don't skip any word. Don't skip any word.
Okay.
Go ahead to the key vocabulary here. Please look at the preview here and ask
Okay.
word you don't know from this group of words.
Convenient.
Convenient means suitable, means fit. No fit.
Fit is
مناسب يعني.
okay.
No more.
1 minute. Yes. Kabali.
Sorry, what's that?
تحت بوزي.
I couldn't hear you. What's the word, please? Which
كابلي. في المجموعة الأولى تحت كلمة بوزي.
busy
أي.
capable
capable.
capable means able to. capable يعني قادر.
Okay.
قادر على. capable. He is capable of doing this.
rainy.
Which one? Which?
تحت كلمة quite.
rainy. You don't know rain?
ممطر يعني.
ممطر.
Okay.
Raining or rainy. The same.
Just that.
All, yeah? Finished?
One.
Do you have
really able.
reliable? This one.
Yes.
Reliable. For example, someone who is reliable, this means you can trust him and you can rely on him.
شخص تثق فيه يعني.
موثوق. نعم. موثوق. Yeah. Reliable.
Sympathetic.
Yeah, sympathetic. When you sympathize, you feel sorry for someone. You feel sorry for someone.
شخص نادم على شيء.
You feel sorry for someone.
متأسف.
متعاطف. Okay. You feel sorry for someone. Okay. تتعاطف معاه. تتعاطف معاه. Yes.
Just that.
Just that. Superlatives, we took the superlatives.
Yes.
Look at those words as well.
We studied this word last week.
Yeah, I know that. I know, but do you have any word you don't know here?
No.
All of them?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Shall I ask?
Yes.
Okay. What's mean?
حقير.
See now. Stubborn.
stubborn عنيد.
Good. Excellent. Yes. Look at them again here. The key vocabulary here.
Okay.
If you have anything new, ask please. You can, I think you will ask about dependable.
Yes.
Dependable is like reliable.
Real.
يعني يمكن الاعتماد عليه. Okay. Elegant, you know elegant?
Elegant? No.
أنيق. Anything else?
No.
What's sloppy?
Sloppy فوضوي.
السلام عليك يا محمد. يا سلام عليك. بطل. Okay. These are all the units of the book. Now here imperatives. I think we took imperatives. Yeah. No, leave this. Leave 7. We have completed up to unit 6. Okay. So from 1 to 6 we have completed all the vocabulary. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Tomorrow I might 5%, not 50.
Yeah.
I might give you a progress test or a quiz.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you for today.
Welcome.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.